Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here we will present material relates to the difference between tangible asset and intangible asset, consisting of Fauzia Husna Atika 006 and Putri Ratnasari 0014. Tangible asset. The meaning of tangible asset. Fixed assets are assets that are long-term or relatively permanent in nature, such as machine, tool, building, and lands. Fixed asset characteristics. 1. Has physically from and is thus tangible asset. 2. Owned and used by the company in operating activity. 3. Not intended for sale, part of operation. Characteristics of asset assessed by Somersono. 1. Asset from in terms of nominal price belong to more bike. 2. Benefit object that generally more from 1 years so that own more time long. 3. Assets still owned by company goal is a stats and new for style. 4. Asset used for activity company. Next, types of asset intended. 1. Assets that have short depreciation or also depreciation surplus as building or building equipment, inventory, fixed machinery, production, and other. 2. Assets that have a short from depletion or depreciation, for example as mineral minus mineral deposit or short power natural other. 3. Assets that are not experience depreciation or no experience depletion. For explain as the place or the land above established building company and so. Some exempt from types are 1. Building and building. 2. Lands. 3. Equipment. 4. Vehicle. 5. Machine. 2. Intangible asset. Meaning of intangible asset. Intangible assets do not have physically stationed equipment will put, but become one of the important long-term assets for organizing or company.
For the next one, that is characteristic of intangible assets. 1. Intangible assets, as the name suggests, have no physical substance or have no physical form. 2. The company includes only direct purchase costs in the cost of the intangible asset. The cost does not include internal development or asset creation costs. 3. Asset with a limited useful life. 4. Amortization. 5. Separability, namely the ability to separate from the BPR and can be sold, transferred, licensed, rented, or exchanged to a contract related to assets or liabilities individually or collectively. 6. Arises from contractual rights or other legal rights, regardless of whether these rights are transferable or separable from the RB or other rights and obligations. 7. Can only be recognized if it comes from external. Next, types of intangible assets. First, a patent is a sole right granted by the government to a person or entity due to a particular invention. 2. Copyright. Copyright is the sole right granted by the government to a person or entity due to the existence of a work of art or writing are also an intellectual work. 3. Trademark. Trademark is a right granted by the government to an entity to be able to use the name and symbol for its business. 4. Goodwill. Excess value owned by the company due to certain privilege or a situation where there is a overpayment of asset compared to market value. 5. Lease right. Lease right is the right to be able to use the fixed asset of other parties for a long time in accordance with the previous agreement. 6. Franchise and license is a privilege reserved by a person or entity from another party to be able to commercialize certain formulas, technique, or product. The next one is difference in permanent and impossible assets. 5. Difference from both, namely, 1. In terms of existence. Asset permanent from ownership physical that can utilize for effort, while asset permanent no form no ownership physical however only called symbolic. 2. In terms of acquisition. Asset permanent from obtained from purchase, cash credit or will, alone will assets permanent no form obtained from right contractual or from government. 3. In terms of depreciation. Depreciation asset permanent from no-can rate with method depreciation, whereas depreciation asset permanent no form called down with various methods such as straight line method, double declining balance method, of the year digit method. 4. In terms of asset permanent form can show assets that are not limited because can use by keep going continuously, different with asset permanent no form that has limit act for can use. 5. In terms of record keeping, basic asset permanent form is price acquisition, whereas asset permanent no form based on pay purchase and transaction company. That's a presentation video that we made. If there is word an error, we apologize for the magnitude. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.